welcome back to my channel. Okay, so my mother just left, and y'all, I have another small thrift haul for y'all. We went thrifting to a couple thrift stores down here, and your girl picked up some stuff I wanted to share with you. So it's not much, just a few things, but I think I really lucked out, and I wanted to share with y'all what I got and kind of tell you what my plans are for it. So also, I'm going to include in this video a small Dollar Tree haul. It's just a couple items for some upcoming projects that I've been working on, so I'm going to include that as well. So let's get started with our thrifted items. So first of all, I've been thinking about spring and summer. So when I've been going and looking at the thrift stores, I've been focusing a lot on spring and summer decor. So this is where my first item comes in. I picked this up, and I'm going to actually paint this. I paid $2.99 for it, and I've already took the sticker off because, believe it or not, I already filmed this video one time, and then I realized I had lipstick all up here on my face, and so I was like, so I had to scratch that video and start it over. So that's why some of the stickers are not already on the items, but this was $2.99, and when I was taking the sticker off, I found this. It says Happy Mother's Day 16, so 2016. So this is a ceramic item. It only has one little chip right here, but that's not going to be an issue because, like I said, I am going to paint it. They have some newspaper stuff in here. I'll probably take that out. But this is going to go spring and can go into summer. So this is what I have in mind for this. Is like the spring and summer decor. So I got that. Now my next item leaning towards summer decor. I picked this up, and y'all are not going to believe what I paid for this. So I picked this up, this huge platter. I mean, look how big it is. And it needs to be cleaned. It's quite dusty and dirty, but I paid $3.99. But the original price was $52. Can you believe that? I mean, I just love it. And if you'll remember, if you watched my first thrift haul, I bought that little crock, the little pitcher, and it had the watermelon on it. So I'm definitely leaning toward watermelon, and I'm loving the black and the white. So I already have a plan for this one, but this is definitely going to go into my summer decor, and I just love it. There was absolutely nothing wrong with it, no chips. It's just dirty and needs to be cleaned. So back to spring decor. Let me show you what I picked up. So again, from my first thrift haul that I put up a few videos back, I'll link it in the description box if you've missed that one. I found a huge picture that I had an idea for. I ended up turning that into a shadow box, which you may have already seen that video by the time this one goes up. I'm not sure when this one will go up, but anyway. So in that, I had, this picture was in it that I used the frame for the shadow box, but I love this picture and I wanted to use it. So I found this frame at the thrift store for this beautiful frame. I love the picture that's in it, and I may actually just save that because there's nothing wrong with it. The mat is messed up right there, but that's not an issue. But I ended up paying $2.99 for it. I don't know if you can see that, but this fits perfectly, and I just absolutely love this for spring. So I'm definitely gonna use this for some of my spring decor, and I just love it. Now, a couple other items I picked up that can be used any time of the year. I just really love these, are these two little candle holders. Now, they have some wax on them. I'm not worried about that because I can get that off. They're so cute. I love the patina of them, and I will keep them the way they are, but I paid 99 cents a piece, and they are actually Castleware, a Skinner selection. I don't know if that means anything. I'm not familiar with it, but for 99 cents a piece, I just think they're beautiful. I'm gonna get me some beautiful tapered candles and just use them in some of my decor. I think they're beautiful. The next item I picked up at the thrift store was these two beautiful valances. and they are like, they have the white back lining. They're very well made. They're absolutely beautiful. And I got the pair, and they were originally, the sticker was $5.99, but when I got up to the register, she said they were on sale, and I got them, the pair, for $1.80. And I absolutely love these. And when I first saw these, my plan was to hang them underneath my kitchen curtains that I already had in there, because they're the same color family. They would go really well, and I still may do that, but I also may change it up and just hang these up there and put away my other ones, just to kind of change them out. But I love them. I think they're beautiful, and they have a little bit of detail in them, and they are going to go perfect in my kitchen. And I mean, they were great for $5.99, but $1.80, even better. Now, this next item I'm going to show you. Oh my goodness. This is my favorite purchase of the whole day. So, if you watch any of my family favorite recipes where I show you the recipes that we love, we cook all the time, I use this pot. It's a slow cooker pot. It's kind of like a rectangular slow cooker pot that my mother actually got it for me from the thrift store. And I originally had one. It quit working. Long story short, she found me a replacement at the thrift store, and I love it. Well, the last time I used that pot, which actually I made a video, James went to take the lid off, and when he did, it slipped and he broke my lid. And I was devastated. Oh my gosh, I was so heartbroken, because I love that pot. I use it for so many different things, but I mean, you know, accidents happen. So I've been on the lookout for a lid, and y'all, I found it today. It was $6.99, but it was actually half off today. Y'all, I was so over the moon excited when I found this lid for my pot. I texted James and I was like, oh my gosh, I found the lid for the pot, the one like you broke. And he was like, good deal. So my dilemma is, do I dare let James touch this lid? I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. But I was so excited, and I think this is probably my favorite purchase of the day. Okay, so on to my small Dollar Tree haul. So, I found this at the Dollar Tree, this cute little wooden heart. And my plan is I'm going to make a wooden coaster for this, out of this. And, you know, for Valentine's, but, you know, it can stay out all year round depending on what I put on the top of it. But this is going to be a little DIY project, and I absolutely love it. For $1, that is just an awesome deal. My next two items from the Dollar Tree, they are so cute as is, but look at them, aren't they cute? But I bought these because I'm going to kind of DIY them and dress them up a little bit. They had blessed, welcome, and laundry, and I think they are so cute. Like I said, they are cute as is. You don't have to really do anything. They look like the faux wood, but I bought them with a couple DIYs in mind. I also picked up this Hello Love. Now, when I bought this, I wasn't even thinking Valentine, but as I'm sitting here looking at it, this is really cute for Valentine with the pale pink and the Hello Love. I may leave it as is and then DIY it later. I don't know, but it is so cute, and you can do so many cute things with this. So I picked that up. I picked up this cute little love sign. I actually have a DIY in mind using this. It's gonna be like a dupe of DIY, and I can't wait to do that, to make it and show you. I picked that up. And then my last Dollar Tree item was this sign. I picked it up because I actually wanted the little hearts off of it, or at least one of them, and they're like they're raised. I mean, you see these all the time. All these people on YouTube are making all these signs, but I can get several little DIYs out of this one little sign. So I picked that up and can't wait to get to work on that DIY. I'm so excited about that. I don't really do a lot of decorating for Valentine's, but I do have a couple little things in mind that I'm gonna do for Valentine, but they could actually just fit into your decor. But anyway, so that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am loving thrifting. I've never been a real big thrifter. I've just never really had the time or really the desire, quite honestly. But now I'm kind of getting hooked. I mean, I'm loving it. It's so much fun. And my mother loves to do it, and I love to spend time with her. So it's something we can do together and just have a lot of fun. And I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, I would love it if you would hit that little red subscribe button. And also, come connect with me over on Instagram if you have Instagram. I would love to connect with you over there. I post more frequently over there. I do have a Facebook, but I'm not real active on the Facebook, so I really just don't care for Facebook. I'm more active on Instagram. But I will put all those links in the description box below, so you can just click on them if it's something you're interested in. And until next time, bye y'all.